Okay, good day, folks, and welcome to the Veil Brains tutorial series on web development. Today, we're going to be looking at images. How can we include image into our web page? So, firstly, go to your IDE, which is the Visual Studio Code Editor. We use the IMG tag in order to render images in the browser. So, you just type in IMG, and this is the entire format. So, the source is the location. Okay, there's a little documentation. Let's read the documentation. They say the image URL. The attribute is mandatory for the IMG element. On browser supporting SRE set, SRE is treated like a candidate image with a pixel designated descriptor, blah 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 and blah. But what it's trying to tell us here is that the image in which you want to render to the browser, the location, the URL is going to be placed within this double quote. The location of the image. Alright. So before that, come here and we're going to create a folder. Create a folder. The folder is where we're going to place all our images. So we're going to name the folder images. Alright, we already have it. So next, what you need to do is come to, I have a few images I have here. Okay, and we're going to paste these images into the folder we just created. Okay, remember this is our project folder, and the images I was created in the IDE. This is it. That's it, the folder, sorry, and we paste there few images which we're going to render in our HTML document. So let's go back to the IDE. As you can see, all the images we have is here. Alright, so you use the IMG tag. Sorry. Okay, so the source. So firstly, we want to display this first the first image. Alright, and the first image is in the images folder. It's in the images folder. So we're gonna put here images. Alright, so as you can see, there are options. So images, then KENNY, KNG1, and the extension, which is a JPEG file. So to prove that it's a JPEG file, come to the web project, and this is the folder or the image. I mean, come to property. Alright, I think you can see it's a JPEG file, JPG. Okay, so go back. One dot JPG. One dot JPG. Okay, so let's view it first, and um, as you can see, there's a huge photo. There's a huge photo of this little man holding a trumpet. Alright, so we can edit it, but before that, this ALT stands for alternate. Just in case there was a mistake, probably the image is not rendering within the browser. So this and the text that's going to be placed in there is going to replace, just in case the image don't show up. So take for example, Kenny G1 holds a trumpet. Let's say mistakenly we, alright, as you can see, there was an error, the name of the image. So instead of the error just being blank, the text we place in an alt appears. So you come back with Kenny G1 and it's gone. Alright, so we can control the size of this image, the height and that of the width. So in accomplishing that task, you come back here and tap in width, the width the width. So the width, now it has to do with the wideness. It's too wide, so we want to like bring it in a little bit. So we can say 450. Px represent pixel. Images are nothing but pixel. Tiny dots come together, that makes up an image. So we give it 450 pixel. The height, we give it 450 pixel, and we save it. So as you go back, as you can see, as you can see, our image, we have a 450 pixel height and that of the width. So next thing, um, all right, let's add another image. So we can say Kenny G2, Kenny G2. We can say Kenny G3, Kenny G2, Kenny G3. View, and view 2. So as you can see our images. As you can see our images. So it's still kind of big. We can reduce it. So Kenny G6, G6. Okay, so that's it for our images. So as you can see, these are the images. Okay, thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe and also comment below. Bye bye.